Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another Fortnite weapon, and this time it's gonna be the shotgun. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're gonna draw the middle part first, which is gonna be the receiver. So here, we're just gonna draw, might be a little bit of a tricky shape, but it's almost like a rectangle. It's gonna be rounded on the top here. And it's gonna be rounded slightly on the back as well. And down here, just a little bit of curvature, not too much. Okay? And then from here, we can draw the trigger. So we're just gonna come down and extend this line. And then we're gonna angle it up a little bit. And then we're gonna come back up. Okay, so now we're gonna give this line some thickness. Just a little bit. Okay, and then now we can draw the trigger. So this one's easy, just gonna be two curves. And then right here, we'll draw in some detail right here. And then here's gonna be a rectangle. Okay, so from here, now we can draw the barrel. So right in the middle, so this line here, right in the middle, we're just gonna come out straight across, just pretty far out. And you can use a ruler if you want to get it more accurate. So from here, now we're gonna come back almost like another halfway point here. And now we're gonna come all the way out again, but at a slight angle. Because it looks like it's a little bit bigger near the tip. Okay, again, you can use a ruler. Now we'll just close that off. There's a little bit of detail here, so I'll just draw a quick line right there. And then from here, we'll draw the bottom part first. We're gonna come out. Okay, now we're gonna draw a line there. And then here, we're just gonna draw a little angle there. And then now right here, just come straight down. And then we're gonna connect this with a curve. Okay, so now we're gonna continue this line here. We're gonna go all the way across. We're gonna draw one line here. Again, go all the way across. Close that off. A little bit of detail here. And then this part is just gonna connect up. And there's just a little bit of an angle there. And then it looks like there's a couple of dots there, a little detail again. And then in here, we'll draw a little rectangle. And this is the grip part. So there's gonna be some little line here. Just draw a bunch of little lines. Okay. So now we're gonna draw the top part of this. There's a little railing going on here. So from the top here, we're just gonna go out. Kind of the same angle as the other one. Okay. And then we're gonna draw another one. So it's like a really thin rod. And then on the bottom here, we're just gonna connect it. So we just keep drawing these two little lines here. Doesn't have to be exact, but just space it out as evenly as possible. Okay, and that connects everything. And then the sight is just gonna be a little rectangle up there. So this gun is a lot easier to draw than the other ones. Okay, so now that we got the back, and let's draw the stock on the back. So this one is pretty easy. From here, just kind of come down. And then on this part, we're gonna stop right around here, this line right here. So we're gonna continue this curve and just kind of stop right around there. And now we're gonna curve it up. And then we're gonna draw a straight line just going way back. Okay. And then now we're gonna continue on with this. We can go up a little bit. And we're gonna go down. And we're gonna connect these. And again, yeah, this might be a little bit trickier because of all the little angles. Okay, a little bit detail there. It looks like there's a little bit of a little hook here. And that's it for this shotgun from Fortnite, and hope you guys like the way it turned out. And if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.